Hello, I'm Avery. This is YouTube Tutorials coming to answer a quick question, which is, do ads count towards watch time? Does it help you get monetized if you decide to do a video campaign on Google Ads, Sprizzy, or anywhere else like that? And the answer to that is a no. No, it does not. Now, I know some other people have said yes, it does, but you ain't got to take their answer, you ain't gotta take my answer. Both of them ain't they kind of collide with each other. Instead, what I'm going to do is direct you to this link that I got in the description. In fact, I'm gonna have it up right now that you'll be able to see a particular section about the YouTube monetization partnership program and some of the requirements. You can see right here on screen that it says video campaigns don't count towards watch time. That's directly from Google support, and hey, it is what it is. Fortunately, you can still use ads to help you get watch time, but it's just not going to be as directly as that. You can use your ads to help direct people to see other videos on your channel. When somebody looks at your ad and then they decide, hey, I want to see another video from this person, that watch time that they see from the second video will count towards watch time for your monetization requirement. Let's just say, for example, you have like a 3-part series, 3 videos. The first video is the one that you want to go ahead and advertise to people. And then you have a way for them to easily see part 2, whether it be a video card, end screen, or something like that. They decide to go ahead and watch part 2. All of that watch time from part 2 will count towards your monetization. So I suggest doing it that way. But I know that's not what you wanted to do with advertising your YouTube videos. So let me know, are you still planning on advertising your YouTube videos? Or are you not planning on advertising YouTube videos anymore? Are you like, man, forget that, I don't want to do that no more? Let me know in the comment section below. But at the end of the day, hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, why don't you consider leaving a like so other people know that this was a good video as well. As well as, hey, why not subscribe? I got another video that you can check out that's somewhat similar to this if you are deciding to go ahead and advertise a YouTube video, which is for Google Ads. You can check that out right here. It shows how you can create your video campaign. So check that out. And by the way, you can always subscribe to the channel if you want, I mean, maybe you do, maybe you don't. Hey, but throwing that out there. Thanks for watching.